The next thing we're going to learn is understanding instant formatting. All right, so let us discuss this. All right, it's a good practice to turn off instant formatting during writing and editing, as this will reduce the workload on your computer, increase speed of your Microsoft Word program, and also reduce the disturbance to your document style. This is because when you are if you have instant formatting on, what happens is that every time you add or remove a reference from your document, all the other references will be rearranged or would change based on where you insert the reference, and also there will be communication between the Word document and the EndNote library to ensure that the information in the EndNote library is transferred to your Word document. Because the information is not in the Word document, it's actually linked to the Word document. So this makes sure these things happen every time you delete a reference, you change a reference, if you don't turn off instant formatting. So what we need to do is we need to turn off instant formatting. So to turn off instant formatting, what you need to do is, if you look at this here, instant formatting on your ribbon, what you need to do is just turn off instant formatting. Once you turn off instant formatting and then you convert citation and bibliography to unformatted citation, you come back to unformatted citation. That means there's no instant formatting. So under unformatted citation, the references would be, the reference list would not be there. You see there's no more reference list here. The citation will change when they have a curly bracket at the beginning, at the end of each of the citation, with a semicolon between each reference or references that you have cited. So as we discussed earlier, it contains of the first author last name, the year of the publication, the information is there, and the next is your position. The article has been imported into your library. So if you look at this, the Able 2025 was imported, was the 622 references imported into your EndNote library. And of course, Al-Hadidi is the 269, Alaska is 610. So this is just to make sure that this information is linked to your EndNote library. By using this also, you can actually copy and paste the references, and without worrying that it will change the reference. That means if you want to use the same reference for a different sentence, all right, in a different paragraph or the same paragraph, you can actually do it by just copying and pasting. Or you want to remove one reference, you can just delete it and remove it like that. All right, you have to remove two references, you can still do the same thing, you can delete and remove like that, which you cannot do if you are not doing under instant formatting. So this is how it looks, all right, without instant formatting. Let us turn on instant formatting again so that we can have a look on how it actually looks. All right, so remember we removed 2, so now it's 1 to 4, so 5 to 12, 13 to 17. Remember that we moved 2, so there's supposed to be 19. Sorry, 2 more here. Sorry, 2 more. 18 and 19 is the 2 that we actually removed. So the 1 to 4 is this 1 to 4 that you see. All right, but this is from Vancouver, which is different from, let's put back to International Journal of Nursing. All right, so Journal of Nursing will have 4. All right, and then you have the other thing, but of course it is different way of citing, which you cannot do if you are using formatted. So if you delete this, all right, and you delete this, okay, which means that you have deleted 2 references from the first part. It cannot be done. See, you delete this, you delete again, all right, and you delete this. So it cannot be deleted because it's linked, all right. That means the information is linked. So this is a code, and it would mean that once every time you want to do it, it would change back. So you cannot delete it like that. So to delete it, to move it, you need to basically change it to unformatted citation. So this is called unformatted citation when you change to unformatted citation, all right. And then you can actually move this around and manipulate it and also delete it. But the main thing is that it is faster, all right. You don't have communication between EndNote and your document so many times, so your computer might not clock up. In addition to converting your citation to unformatted citation, you can also convert your citation to plain text. So what you need to do is to update citation bibliography, all right. Then you convert citation to plain text. What it means that once you convert to plain text, all right, the citation in your document is not linked to EndNote. And if you change your citation in your document, if you change the information in your EndNote, it's not linked. So you must be careful. If you want to do for plain text, you can do it. You need to convert to plain text mainly for one purpose, which is when you submit your article to a journal for review. Because when you submit an article to a journal for review, if your references are linked to your EndNote, the reviewer and the system would have problem accessing it, all right. But also you can do it if you want to submit for examination, because or submit for review by your supervisor, because that itself, your document is not linked, so it would be much more easier. But my advice is, if you want to submit to your supervisor for examination, it's better to submit as unformatted citation, because in that way the supervisor can actually remove or delete the citation. Of course, you need to provide the supervisor with the list of citation, all right, list of references that you are used. Right, let us see. So this document has not been saved yet, so yes, we're going to save it. All right, let's save as introduction, and this is for under EndNote. All right, I will save it locally, so I'll save it locally to my local drive. All right, so save. So I've saved already. So now this is the document 2. This is where we call unformatted citation. Plain text. You can see it's plain text. You see, there's not link anymore. So your citation is plain text. See, this is plain text compared to the other one. All right, compared to the other one, which is compared to this one, which is not plain text. See, it's not plain text. So you delete this, it will still cannot be deleted. See, it cannot be deleted. All right. See, it cannot be deleted. Okay. But if you look at the other document, you can delete this, and it can be deleted because it's not linked. All right. It's not linked. Okay. So it's not linked. I just Control Z, which was by the, I just go back one step. So this is called plain text. All right. So converted your citation to plain text is important if you want to what we call that, send it to journal for publication.